Today, the Maine Supreme Court heard arguments in the case of the state's new paid family leave program.
Now, earlier this year, Bath Iron Works and the Maine State Chamber of Commerce filed a lawsuit against the State Department of Labor and against its commissioner. CBS 13's Sam DeCoste joining us now live from outside of the Cumberland County Courthouse in Portland.
And Sam, this all started after a new tax went into effect.
Well, that's right. Under a new law that passed 2 years ago, every company in Maine, including BIW, has to contribute to a state fund for paid leave. But BIW says they want their money back because they're going with a private plan instead.
The law says employers opting to use a private plan need not pay. The rule mandates the opposite. That should be the end of this case.
Starting January 1st, Maine employees and employers had to start splitting a 1% tax on their paychecks. It's a premium that goes towards a new paid family and medical leave fund. That fund would be available for any worker who needs to take a leave after certain family events like childbirth or to care for a relative. They would be able to take a leave for up to 12 weeks, but the benefits won't begin until next May.
It needs to be front loaded. It's the reality of the situation. And there's a 16-month front load. The employers who can be approved and pay as little as 3 months. So 13 months are free.
Beginning last April, companies could create their own private plan for family and medical leave. It has to be approved by the Department of Labor and Bureau of Insurance. If approved, those companies and their employees don't have to pay the 1% tax anymore, but they don't get their money back.
Nothing suggests that they're then entitled to a retroactive refund.
According to the law, businesses like BIW who preferred a private plan were not able to opt out of the state's plan until April, meaning they would still have to pay the tax for 3 months. The Chamber of Commerce calls the law a cash grab by the state.
Although they have made those premium payments to the state plan, they will not receive any benefits out of that state plan.
But the Attorney General's office says the premiums buy coverage for all companies, while companies who want to go with their own plans await approval.
They're still covered by the PFML statute, and they still have all the rights and all the responsibilities of that.
According to the Attorney General's office, 3% of companies in Maine have been approved for private paid leave plans. That includes BIW. And as for what's next, the Supreme Court will make a ruling. It's unclear when that might happen, though. Live in Portland, Sam DeCoste, CBS 13 News. Greg, back to you.
All right. Thank you for the live update, Sam.